Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving a new problem, which is the count Favares where max element appears at least k times. Lead code 2962 problem. Before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And also, it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the intuition. Then try to do the code also. And if you stuck at any point, then you can see this video. Then it will be beneficial for you. Otherwise, if you simply see this video and then do the code, it will not be beneficial for you. So it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up a create a, some intuition for this. Then do the code. So let's read the problem is saying. The problem is saying that you are given an integer array nums and a positive integer k. The and positive integer k is a positive. Okay. So return the number of subarrays where the maximum element of nums appears at least k times in that subarray. Okay. A subarray is a contiguous sequence of element within array. Okay. So let's see, we have given an array. So what I have to do is I have to find the maximum element and the frequency of the maximum element is at least k times. Then I have to take that subarray. Like if I take this example, nums is 13233. The maximum element is 3 here, and the frequency of 3 at should be at least k times, like k equals to 2. So frequency of 3, frequency of maximum element should be at least k times. Like a subarray that contain the element 3 at least 2 times are 1323, 13233, then 323, 3233, then again 233, then 33. So there are all six arrays that are possible. So that's why we are returning 6. As you can see here, the maximum element is 4, and the frequency of maximum element is 1 in this whole subarray, whole area, actually I can say. And the condition is k equals to 3, but our maximum the frequency of the maximum element is 1, so it is not possible to create any subarray. So that's why we are returning 0 here. So you can see here it is something like a sliding window problem. If you go with the brute force solution, so I am telling you about the brute force solution, but I will not discuss the completely. I will discuss the optimal approach. But I'm telling you about this. In brute force technique, what I will do is I'll create all the subarrays and then I will traverse. So it will take big of n cube time to big of n square time to create the subarrays, and to traverse this you will take big of n. So totally you will take big of n cube time complexity in brute force solution, and that is not acceptable here. You can see here nums dot length is 10 to the power 5. If big of n cube, then 10 to the power 15. That is not acceptable. So now we will go with the optimal approach for this solution. So optimal approach will be something like the sliding. It is something like a sliding window technique, because we are taking a subarray. In each iteration, we are taking a subarray and we are checking like the frequency of this particular element is greater than equal to k or not. If it is greater than equal to k, we will increment our window size. Or decrement according to the condition, we will decrement our window size also. So it is like something like a sliding window approach. So now in this problem we will discuss how we will apply the sliding window approach in this question. You can apply you can think like priority queue also, maxi something like, because you are seeing like maximum element is there, so we have to find the maximum element using the priority queue. According to that we will apply the conditions. So you can think for that approach also. But in this video, I will discuss about how we will apply sliding window technique in this question. So let's see the approach. So sliding window approach, yeah. So this array we have given 1 3 2 3 3, and k equals to 3, k equals to 2, sorry. So k equals to 2 is showing like we have to firstly we have to find the maximum element. If the maximum the frequency of that the maximum element is greater than equals to 2, then you can say it is a subarray, and it this subarray is containing our condition, like our condition is valid for this subarray. So I can take that subarray and I have to return the number of count of subarrays. So I don't need any. सब एरे लाइक वी हैव टू क्रिएट एनी सब एरे बट हमें काउंट इंक्रीज करना है, ठीक है। सो लेट्स सी दिस एग्जांपल 13233। so what we are doing is we'll take two pointers, you know about this year कि sliding window में होता क्या है, टू pointers लेते हैं i and j, अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन j को इंक्रीज करते हैं और अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन i को डिक्रीज भी करते हैं। मतलब श्रिंक विंडो को श्रिंक भी करते हैं और एक्सपेंड भी करते हैं। एक्सपेंड कैसे करते हैं, j को आगे बढ़ा के, श्रिंक कैसे करते हैं, i को आगे बढ़ा के, ठीक है। सो i और j दोनों इनिशियली जीरो पे पड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है। तो यू कैन सी आई और जे दोनों जीरो पर हैं, तो जे जीरो पर है तो वन की फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी होगी, वन कितने बार आ रहा है, वन बार, वन टाइम आ रहा है, ठीक है। नाउ इन दिस कंडीशन आई विल इंक्रीमेंट अपन अवर जे। नाउ जे इज ऑन द वन इंडेक्स, लाइक यू कैन सी जीरो इंडेक्स, वन इंडेक्स, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ। नाउ जे इज ऑन द वन इंडेक्स, नाउ आई कैन से like 1 is coming one time and 3 is coming one time. Now increment again j. Now j is on the second index. Now you can see 1 is coming one time, 3 is coming one time, 2 is coming one time. Now again increment j. If you increment j, now you can see 1 is coming by 1 is coming one time. The frequency of 3 is two times. Like यहाँ देख सकते हो 1 and 2, and 2 is coming one time. You can see we have met our condition. Like our condition will be like should be like k equals to 2. If our frequency of the maximum element is greater than equals to k, in that condition I can take the subarray. You can see here, if I equals to this and j equals to this, तो थ्री की फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी आ रही है, टू आ रही है। अब देखो इसके आगे और भी एलिमेंट जे यहाँ पे है, ठीक है, इसके आगे से कितने भी एलिमेंट पड़े हो, थ्री, फोर, फाइव, सिक्स, अगर एरे में, ठीक है, ये एरे है अपन को यहाँ तक दिया हुआ है, अगर मैं एरे को बढ़ा दूँ 4 5 6 7 8 9, तो भी मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का सब एरे लूंगा, 1 से 3 का ले सकता हूँ, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का। मैं इंडेक्स के बारे में बात करूँ तो जीरो से थर्ड इंडेक्स तक ले सकता हूँ, फिर मैं जीरो से फोर इंडेक्स तक ले सकता हूँ, फिर मैं जीरो से फाइव इंडेक्स सब और सब एरे ले सकता हूँ। क्योंकि क्यों ले सकता हूँ, क्योंकि एटलीस्ट टू एलिमेंट तो उसमें आ ही रहे हैं, मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट, मैक्सिमम कितना है, थ्री है, तो एटलीस्ट टू एलिमेंट तो उसमें आ ही रहे हैं, वन एंड टू। अवर कंडीशन तो मैच हो गई, अब उसके आगे कितने भी नंबर्स पड़े हो मैं सबका एक एक सवेरे बना सकता हूँ। सो हाउ मैनी सवेरेज आई कैन मेक, that is depend on n minus j. N is the size of this array and j is this pointer. So n minus j will give me this size after j. j के बाद का जो भी numbers हैं n minus j हैं, ठीक है, n minus j. So that's why I'm taking n minus j. So how many subarrays are possible? Using this condition, you can see here I have met our condition 1 and 2, at least two elements should be there because k equals to 2, so at least two elements should be there. तो अब मेरी कंडीशन तो मैच हो गई है। अब उसके आगे जे के आगे कितने भी एलिमेंट्स पड़े हो मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं तो बस अपना अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एलिमेंट्स, लाइक हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई कैन इंक्रीज अवर विंडो साइज, सॉरी विंडो साइज नहीं, सब एरे साइज। बिकॉज मैं ले सकता हूँ, अगर इसके थ्री के आगे मान लो टू पड़ा हो फिर वन पड़ा हो तो मैं ले सकता हूँ वन थ्री टू थ्री, एक सब एरे हो गया, देन वन थ्री टू थ्री थ्री, एक सब एरे हो गया, फिर वन थ्री टू थ्री थ्री, इसके आगे टू पड़ा हो तो टू ले लो, वो सब एरे हो गया, फिर उसके आगे वन पड़ा हो तो वन वाला एक सब एरे ले लो। सो हाउ मेनी सब एरेज कैन बी पॉसिबल using this condition, n minus j, n is the size of the array and j is this index. So after n minus j will give me the numbers after this jth index. So n minus j, here n equals to 5, you can see the size of the array 1 2 3 4 5, and j is on the second index, sorry third index, 0 1 2 3, third index. So n minus j will give me 2. Now in this condition here we have met our condition. So what I will do, I will increment our I. This is the condition. I will shrink our window, increment the I. If I increase the I, now I is on the first index and j is on the second index, sorry third index. Now again 3 is coming two times, the frequency of 3 is 2, you can see here. Then again our condition is met. Like now what I will do, I will again find the n minus j. N minus j will give me 5 minus 3, which is 2 because j is on the second index. So 5 minus j will be 2. So again our we have met our condition. Again we will increase our I. So I is on the this index, second index, 0 1 2, second index. Now again frequency check करेंगे, मैं frequency of 2 is 1, frequency of 3 is 1. Now we have not our met our condition, so नाउ अगेन इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ जे बिकॉज अगर मेरी कंडीशन मैच नहीं हुई है, मैच अगर कंडीशन मैच हो जाती है तो आई को इंक्रीमेंट कर देंगे, कंडीशन मैच नहीं होती है तो जे को इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे, अगर अगर जे को इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे जे यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, जे यहाँ पर आ गया, अगेन देखेंगे थ्री इज कमिंग टू टाइम्स बिकॉज वन एंड टू, आई यहाँ पे है जे यहाँ पे है तो थ्री इज कमिंग टू टाइम्स, अगेन एन वाई जे फाइंड करेंगे तो जे इज ऑन द फोर्थ इंडेक्स हियर यू कैन सी 0 1 2 3 4, J is on the fourth index. So n minus j 5 minus 4 which is 1. Again we have met our condition, so increment I. अब I यहाँ पर आ गया ये वाले थर्ड इंडेक्स पर. Now again चेक करेंगे 3 is coming two times because 1 and 1. This is 3. So 3 is coming two times. So 5 minus 4 equals to 1 because j is on the fourth index, so 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Now what I will do, I will check like how many counts are there. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 which is 6. 6 is the answer. So this was a simple approach using sliding window technique. Let's see the code for this. So coding part is very simple. So firstly what I will do is I'll create a map. मैप तो क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे को फ्रीक्वेंसी देखनी पड़ेगी सबकी, ठीक है. And again I have to find the maximum element. So how I will find, so that is a technique to find the maximum element. What I will do, create a I will initialize a variable int max equals to 0 and I will traverse this array for auto it belongs to b, sorry nums, and I will check like a, sorry, maxi equals to maxi of, sorry, maximum of maxi comma nums of I, which I can say it here. So this will give me the maximum element. Now what I will do is, so maxi is the maximum element. Now I will initialize two pointer int I equals to 0 and int j equals to 0 and int answer which I have to return equals to 0. Now what I will do, I will apply a while loop while my j is less than n. So let's initialize this int n equals to nums dot size. So I have initialized our n. Now condition कब तक लगेगी, my while my j is less than n. Sorry. So in this condition what I will do, in each iteration I have to, अगर मैं 1 पे हूँ 0 0 पे हूँ तो मेरे को पहले से मैप में स्टोर करनी पड़ेगी, तो मैप ऑफ nums of j plus plus, and after this we have to increase our j, so I have increased our j. Now in this middle of the part I have to write a condition for I. Now let's write the condition for I. So condition for I is simple, like while my I is less than equals to j and map of that maximum element is maxi is greater than equals to k. अगर this condition met, अगर this condition है met, so in this condition what I will do, I will decrease our, I will increase the ith pointer and decrease the map of I. So map of nums of I minus minus and I will increase I. And before going this, I have to change our answer also because answer is also important for this. So answer will be like answer plus equals to n minus j. So this is the condition, answer plus equals to n minus j. So this will give me, this will update our answer. And you can see here all elements are positive, so I can say I can start the maximum element with 0. That's why I have started with maximum element 0. So I think this is the code, and now let's return the answer. And now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. चल जा चल जा चल जा चल जा, सबमिशन में टाइम क्यों ले रहा है. runtime error. So it is giving me runtime error. So what is the problem here? So इतना लंबा टेस्ट केस, ठीक है. So let's see why it is giving me runtime error. Actually, the problem can be like if I do this long. So now let's run this and see, because there can be a overflow also. I think this is a condition where overflow occurred. Now let's run this. Yeah, it is working perfect now. You can see here, because the condition was if you do this int, so answer can be a large number, because answer there can be a multiple answers, there can be a multiple sub-arrays, so answer can be too large, so that's why we are returning, we are doing this long technique. So that is the technique. So this was a simple code. In this code what I have done is I have to found the maximum element in this array, and now I have to check like frequency of maximum element is greater than equals to k or not. If it is possible to get it, the frequency of a particular element is greater than equals to k. If I found my condition, then I have to change my answer. Answer equals to answer plus n minus j, because this is the, let's say this is the I, this is j. So how many elements after this j? N minus j, total number of elements minus j, this index, n minus j elements will be there, this is the n minus j. So n minus j elements will be there, so answer equals to answer plus n minus j, and now I have to increase our I pointer and decrease the map of that particular element. Map means frequency of that particular element. So and in other condition, like I have to simply increase the j pointer. So this was the simple approach. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. And the time complexity for this solution is big of n, big of n plus n actually. So that is approx equals to big of n. So this was the simple code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye.